Have you ever wondered why some people seem to manifest everything effortlessly, while others struggle, even when using the same techniques? What if I told you that Neville Goddard left behind a secret that almost no one talks about? A hidden technique so powerful that once you apply it, your manifestations will unfold faster and easier than ever before. Today, we're diving deep into one of Neville's most profound yet often overlooked teachings, something that can change the way you manifest forever. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand this powerful principle, but you'll have the exact steps to apply it immediately in your life. And here's the best part. At the end of this video, I'll reveal a bonus tip that amplifies this. So stay with me because this is something you don't want to miss. Now, let's start with a shocking fact. Scientists have proven that the subconscious mind processes over 11 million bits of information per second, while the conscious mind can only handle about 40 hours. This means that what's running in your subconscious is shaping your reality far more than your conscious thoughts. And this is exactly where Neville's secret technique comes in. Neville repeatedly taught that manifestation is not about asking, it's about becoming. You don't manifest what you want, you manifest what you are. In one of his most powerful lectures, he said, "Prayer is not so much what you ask for, but how you prepare for its reception." Take a moment and let that sink in. It's not about begging the universe for what you desire, it's about preparing yourself to receive it as if it's already yours. Imagine this. If you already had your dream life, your ideal relationship or financial freedom, how would you feel? How would you walk? How would you talk? What would your thoughts be like every day? This is the key. Your job is to align with the version of you that already has it. This brings us to a game-changing exercise called Becoming the Prayer. Instead of asking, "When will my manifestation come?" or "Why hasn't it happened yet?" you shift into a state where you embody the feeling of already having it. Let's take the story of a man Neville once taught. He was in desperate financial trouble, drowning in debt, and constantly worried about money. Despite reading books on the law of assumption and practicing affirmations, nothing was changing. Neville told him, "Stop seeing yourself as someone who is struggling. Instead, begin to walk, think, and feel as a man of wealth." The man did something radical. He started living as though he was already financially free. He didn't go out and spend recklessly, but in his mind he treated himself as if he had already overcome his financial struggles. He practiced feeling gratitude every night before bed, imagining what it was like to have all his debts cleared. Within weeks, a completely unexpected financial opportunity appeared, something he never could have predicted. He went from barely surviving to thriving in a short amount of time. The takeaway: he stopped being the person who wanted money and became the person who already had it. Now, let's make this real for you. Hey, I've got something exciting to share with you. Are you ready to boost your confidence, attract positivity, and feel more at peace? My new ebook, Powerful and Positive Affirmations to Change Your Life in 30 Days, is the ultimate guide to creating lasting change. With daily affirmations, guided meditations, and visualization techniques, this 30-day challenge will help you feel more motivated, confident, and purposeful. And the best part, it's only $4.99. Start your transformation today. Grab your copy and watch your life change. Right now, you can start becoming the version of yourself who already has what you desire. Here's how. First, step into the identity of the version of you who already has your manifestation. Ask yourself, how would I think? How would I feel? How would I act? Start aligning your daily thoughts and behaviors with that version of you. If your desire is wealth, stop seeing yourself as someone who wants to be rich and start seeing yourself as someone who is already financially. Second, live from the end. Neville always said, assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Every time doubt creeps in, remind yourself, it's already done. Imagine your desire unfolding as naturally as the rising sun. Third, change your inner conversations. Your thoughts are constantly shaping your reality. Start having inner conversations as if your manifestation has already happened. If it's love you desire, hear your specific person say, "I love you so much." If it's financial abundance, hear people saying, "You're so successful now." Fourth, rewrite your self-concept. The reason most people struggle with manifestation is that their self-image doesn't match their desire. If you desire success but see yourself as someone who always fails, you'll keep experiencing failure. Start affirming, "I am successful. Everything I touch turns to gold." Fifth, sleep in the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Neville emphasized the power of sleep, saying, "Your subconscious is most impressionable in the drowsy state before sleep. Assume your wish is fulfilled before drifting off." Before bed tonight, take a few moments to feel the reality of your desire as if it's already here. Drift off with the confidence that it's done. Now here's a shocking fact. Scientific studies have proven that your brain can't tell the difference between an imagined experience and a real one. This means that when you consistently assume the feeling of having your desire, your mind begins to rewire itself to make it your reality. That's why becoming the prayer is so powerful. You're not just wishing, you're living it internally, and soon your outer world will reflect it. But here's the final piece that separates successful manifestors from those who struggle. After doing this practice, let go. Stop looking for signs. Stop wondering when it will happen. Walk through life knowing that it's already yours. Neville said, "There is no power outside of you. You are the operant power. This means that the only thing standing between you and your desire is your own belief. Assume it, embody it, and let it unfold naturally." Here is a simple Neville Goddard-inspired meditation for manifestation. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment. Then slowly exhale. Let your body relax completely. Feel the tension melting away as you breathe in deeply again and release. Now bring to mind your greatest desire. See it as if it has already happened. Imagine yourself living in that reality right now. Picture the details, where you are, what you're wearing, who is around you. Hear the sounds, feel the textures, sense the warmth of fulfillment in your heart. Whisper softly to yourself, "It is done. I have it now." Feel a deep sense of gratitude, as if your manifestation has already arrived. Let this feeling grow stronger with each breath. As you continue to visualize, immerse yourself in the emotions of joy, peace, and certainty. See yourself smiling, feeling confident, knowing that creation is finished. Your desire is already yours. Now, repeat this affirmation, silently or aloud. I am already the person who has everything I desire. Let these words sink into your subconscious mind, imprinting this new reality deep within you. Take one last deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any remaining doubt. Feel the peace of knowing that it is done. Gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers, move your toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this feeling with you throughout your day, knowing that what you assume to be true will manifest in your world. You are the creator, and your dream is already unfolding. Now it's your turn. Tonight, before bed, step into the version of yourself who already has what you desire. Drop a comment below and tell me, what are you manifesting right now? Let's affirm it together. If this video inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe for more powerful manifestation teachings, and share this with someone who needs it. Remember, you are the creator. Everything is already within you. Now, step into it.